Hi students, welcome to GMR Academy. This is Sudhakar, Mathematics faculty. Today we are going to learn algebraic expressions. Then, while late, let's begin. Algebra is one of the most important branches of mathematics. In algebra, we start working with the letters of alphabet as well as numbers and signs of operation. In algebra, we use lowercase letters to represent numbers or quantities are called literals or variables. The process of computing various problems using variables is called algebra. The term algebra is formed from the Arabic term aljabar. Diophantus, who developed algebra, is father of algebra. Constants, variables, and operation symbols are combined to form mathematical expressions. In this chapter, let's define some mathematical terms. Constant, variable, term, expression, algebraic expression, like and unlike terms, coefficient, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, multinomial, degree of a monomial, degree of a algebraic expression, identity. Constant. A number having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. For example, 8 minus 9, 1, 2.6, etc. Variable. A number which can take various numerical values is known as variable or literal or unknown values. For example, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. Term. A term is a constant or variable, and also it can be a product of constant and variables. A term can be either positive or negative. For example, 4 minus 3xy, etc. Expression. An expression consists of one or more terms separated by plus or minus. For example, 2 plus x, comma 3a minus 5, etc. In first example, 2 plus x, 2 is the one term and x is the another term. These two terms in between we are using plus sign. In second example, 3a minus 5, 3a is one term and 5 is the another term. In between we are using subtractive sign. Algebraic expression. The combination of constants and variables connected by plus or minus or into or divide signs is known as an algebraic expression. For example, 2x plus 3y, comma 4y, comma 2x minus y, comma 3x by y, etc. One example, 4y, in between we are using multiplicative sign. 2x minus y, in between we are using minus sign. In 2x plus 3y, in between we are using plus sign. In 2x by y, in between we are using division sign. Coefficients. Coefficients are two types. One is numerical coefficients, another one is literal or variable coefficients. Numerical coefficients. In a term, the number factor of a product is the numerical coefficient of the remaining factors. For example, in 64A, the numerical coefficient of A is 64. In special case, when the numerical coefficient is not given, it is always understood as 1. Coefficients or variable coefficient. The letter factor variable of a product is the literal coefficient or variable coefficient. For example, in 9AB, the literal coefficient is AB. In 2Y, the literal coefficient is Y. Like terms or similar terms. The terms having the same variable coefficients are called like terms. For example, 3x minus 5x, 1.7x, 1 by 2 into x are like terms. In comparing this example, power of the variable is same and coefficients are different. So this type of terms are called like terms. In second example, 8ab minus 2ab 3.4ab are like terms. In comparing this example, a variable term is same and coefficients are different. So this type of terms are called like terms. But means like terms means variable power is same, its coefficients are different. So this type of terms are called like terms or similar terms. Unlike terms or dissimilar terms. The terms having different variable coefficients are called unlike terms. For example, 2xy minus 3ab 1.8z are unlike terms. Comparing these three terms, first term xy and second term ab and third term z, all variables are different. So this type of terms are called unlike terms or dissimilar terms. Types of algebraic expressions. First one is monomial. An expression containing only one term is called a monomial. For example, 2x. 2x means 2 into x. In between we are using multiplicative sign. This is treated as single term. In second example, 2l square m square. L and m are two variables are there. In between we are using multiplicative sign. This is also treated as single term. So 8pq is also a monomial. 9xyz is also a monomial. For important note is that every monomial is a term, but every term need not be a monomial. Why? For example, 2x is a monomial. In perfectly, what is meant by monomial? Power of the variable is always non-negative integer. That means 2x power is x power is 1. So that is a positive. So that is a monomial and also a term. But 2 by x is only a term. Term means power of the variable is positive or negative or 0 or any rational number. So that is a term, not a monomial, because 2 by x is equal to 2 into x power minus 1. X power is minus 1. X power minus means that is not a monomial, that is a term where power of x is negative integer. Binomial. An expression containing two terms. is called a binomial. For example, x minus 2y. X is the one term and 2y is the another term. Why? In between we are using minus sign. Minus means any term is dividing into one more. That means x minus 2y. In this expression, two terms are there. So this is called binomial. Another example, 2m square n minus 7. 2m square n, this is also a monomial, and 7 is also a monomial. So 2m square n minus 7 is a binomial. For another example, ax plus b is also a binomial. Next, another one, trinomial. An expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. For example, x plus y plus z. X is the one term and y is the another term, z is also another term. So x plus y plus z, in between we are using addition sign. So this is treated as three terms. This is also called trinomial. Another example is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square is one term and bx is second term and c is the third term. So ax square plus bx plus c is a trinomial. Another example, 3x square minus 7x plus 6 is also a trinomial. Another type of algebraic expression is polynomial. An expression containing one or more monomials is called a polynomial. In briefly, polynomial means power of the variable in a term is always positive integer. For example, 2a minus 4b. 2a, in this term, a power is 1. 1 is a positive integer. And the second term, 4b. b power 1. This is also 1 is a positive. So 2a minus 4b is a polynomial. Another one, 5x plus y plus z. This is also a polynomial. Another algebraic expression is multinomial. An expression containing one or more terms is called a multinomial. For example, 2 plus 4 by x. In this one, 2 is the one term and 4 by x is the another term. In the second term, 4 by x means 4 into x power minus 1. Power of the variable is negative. The power of the variable is positive means polynomial. Power of the variable is negative means multinomial. That means multinomial means all power of the variables are positive integers or negative or zero or rational numbers, anyone is there, that is also called a multinomial. So all polynomials are multinomials. All multinomials need not be a polynomial, because polynomial means power of the variable is positive integer exponent. In multinomial means power of the variable is positive or negative or zero or any rational number. So this is called, that means all polynomials are multinomials. All multinomials need not be a polynomial. Dear children, I hope you understand algebraic expression part 1, and in next video I will tell part 2. I request you all to subscribe to GMR Academy and don't forget to press the bell button for more updates. Like the video and share the video link with your friends. Thank you all. Have a great day. God bless you. Thanks for watching.